Hello friends, welcome to my channel Grow Mint in a Tray and my tasty chutney. You can collect fresh leaves from the tray, so fresh and green. It is ready for your chutney purpose. Leaves are used for making chutney, mint chutney, and it is always better job for me to grow puਦੀna at home. And the ingredients is cumin, fennel seeds, seedless tamarind, dry chili, salt and jaggery. First you have to clean the stems and keep the tender leaves, and you can grind it. The fennel seeds, dry chili and cumin first as a dry and keep it ready, and then you can mix it with the leaves, jaggery, seedless tamarind, salt and regrind it so that the dry powders and this jaggery, leaves, tamarind, salt, everything will be mixed in a second time grinding, and you can grind and make your tasty chutney, which is very beneficial, health benefits, and your yummy chutney is ready. Have it. If you like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.